Hello, this is Dr. Mode and welcome to ICP class today. We're going to continue our chapter on sound, and section 1 is called The Nature of Sound. Our scripture verse for today comes from Psalm 100. Make a joyful noise to the Lord, all the earth. Serve the Lord with gladness. Come into his presence with singing. Know that the Lord, he is God. It is he who made us, and we are his. We are his people and the sheep of his pasture. Enter his gates with thanksgiving and his courts with praise. Give thanks to him, bless his name, for the Lord is good, his steadfast love endures forever, and his faithfulness to all generations. So the big idea for chapter 10 is sound waves are longitudinal waves produced by vibrations. What we're going to do is we're going to step through each section of this chapter one day at a time, and then we're going to be done. The essential questions from this section are: how does sound travel through different mediums? What affects the speed of sound? How does your ear enable you to hear? All sounds have one thing in common: a vibrating object. Sound waves occur at a speaker because it is vibrating, and what it does is it forms compression and rarefaction regions in the outgoing wave. Sound can travel through solids, liquids, and gases. The matter through which sound travels is called the medium. If there is no medium, then there is no sound. So for example, in space, because there is no medium, there is no matter, there is no sound. Sound travels at different speeds through different materials. So if you look at this chart, you can see that the slowest that sound travels is through air. And the temperature of that air actually makes a difference here. It will travel slightly faster in warmer air. Then what we have is a soft solid object, cork. If you take cork and pass sound through it, it travels a little faster than air. It travels even faster through water, and you can see that warmer water will cause the air to travel, or cause the sound to travel a little faster. When we get to solids like metals or bone or steel, it is traveling the fastest. Our ears are pretty complicated, but fundamentally what they do is they detect that vibration that is traveling through the air. And it will be detected by our eardrum and other parts contained in this auditory device.